You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So, do you pronounce Porsche or Porsche? Well, the answer is that in German, it's rather said Porsche, Porsche. This is why most people recommend saying Porsche rather than Porsche, because it's a German brand. So you want to, I guess, get closer to the German pronunciation. Porsche. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.